Hello, thank you for joining at another episode watching Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make another video to share with you another hot pick I wanted to get off of my mind. So, before I begin, I'd like to share with you that the information that I'm providing should be used as guidance information and not, decision making for you to make an investment right away. Please do your research and always consider making your own internal decisions. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get started. So what is the ticker that I'm going to be sharing with you? Okay, so this company is in the airlines industry within the United States. On a prior video, I made a video on Singapore Airlines and international airlines that I feel will take off if you're interested on the high dividend yields of like 4.51%. So take a look at that video if you're interested. However, this video is intended for, a potential airline company out of all the airlines right now that I foresee will take off as the economy picks up. Okay, now let's say, for example, if you were to purchase a share price of the company I'm referring to now, then you will get it at a 50% discount. And of course, if you want to wait and if you're suspecting that the economy will continue to go downward, then that may be your own strategy. But I feel like it's very difficult to time the market, and it's always best to, if you feel the price is at a discounted rate, you should capitalize on that and always have funds for using the strategy dollar cost averaging down, in case you're not able to time it correctly. But the good thing is you're able to incrementally dollar cost down as the share price continues to go down. But I don't really think all that's going to happen because, since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, since late February, early March, the airlines industry took a significant hit. I mean, I previously invested in American Airlines and, took a net loss on that, but I was fortunate to make the switch, as I gained more information about the coronavirus. All right, so, with Southwest Airlines, if you were to purchase now, it's hovering at a high 30. You may potentially get it at a low, like a high 20s, but, just given the current state right now, with its financial statements, I'm sure that of all the companies, Southwest will take the least impact out of all airline companies. All right, and one of the good news, at least for the airlines industry, is that now the government will be supporting with like a 6-month duration period to support the company as well as its employees. So it kind of reminds me of private businesses that have the PPE loan to take care of employees. All right, and now that airlines are now making considerations to cut their employee size, because most of the airlines are kind of like just experiencing downtime, not really flying so much. But the good thing is this is an opportunity for the airlines to reevaluate their business strategy. And I feel like Southwest, given the fact that they have a low deficit, they don't borrow as much as money, and they have a year-over-year increase in assets. I feel like their balance sheet is safe enough to position them in being able to improve compared to like other companies out there like American Airlines, Spirit Airlines, and so forth. All right, and one other thing that I wanted to mention is the fact that our economy is beginning to pick up now, and I've sort of forecasted in the past, okay, we should wait until August to even consider the airlines industry. But now, you're seeing a lot of different, marketing strategies from Southwest, and it's really getting to people in terms of like wanting to fly to different places, and the demand is beginning to pick up. So, I feel like, given the current state with Southwest Airlines, this may be a potential great buying opportunity. And looking at sources like Yahoo Finance and Webull, I like looking at those two sources just to get a feel of what our financial analysts are saying. And according to Yahoo Finance, it's showing that financial analysts are banking on Southwest to pick up again as a very strong buy, and even some were recommending as hold, but I didn't see any financial analysts recommending like sell at this point in time. All right, and let's say if you're a like a long-term investor, let's say if you were to purchase a certain amount of shares of Southwest at this time, and if you close your eyes and if you like let it pass like over a year or so, one good thing is you're going to be, paying taxes on the long-term capital gains as opposed to short-term capital gains. And I foresee that the share price will likely go up to its original state, which is when it was hovering around the mid 60s before the COVID-19. So hey, you can capitalize on a potential one-fold of what you initially put in. So it's just a matter of when that time will come. But it's safe to say that you will accumulate your funds back. It's just a matter of when. All right. So just wanted to share that information with you, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you really enjoyed watching this, please do consider hitting the like and subscribing. Thank you for watching.